According to Oxford Dictionary, habitat is a natural home of a plant or an animal. In this video, we'll see different animals and their habitats. Like human beings, animals also need food, air, water, and home, where they can live with their families. Some animals need large area, others need small area to live. Different animals need different habitats. In this video, we'll cover some common animals and their habitats. Let's start. Horse. Horse is a domestic animal and it's an old friend of human being. It lives in stable. Stable. Where it lives? In stable. Bear. Bear is a wild animal and it lives in den or cave. Where it lives? In den or cave. Hen or chickens are pet animals. They also fall in the category of human food chain. Their house is built by humans. It's called coop. They live in coop. So what's their habitat? It's coop. Dog. Dog is our most loyal and pet animal. It has been living with us since the beginning of the civilization. The dog's house is called kennel. Its house is also built by human. Repeating again, kennel. Ants. Ants live in their colony. They have entire army in their colony. Ants made their home by their own. Ants live in ant hills. Where they live? They live in ant hills. As you can see, they live in ant hills. Monkey. Monkey is a wild and very naughty animal. It lives on tree. Where it lives? It lives on tree. Next is squirrel. Squirrel is a small animal that appears like a rat. It makes its own dray on the trees. So it lives in dray. Dray on tree. Its habitat called dray. Don't forget, it's dray. We often see spiders in our houses and working places. They live in web. They themselves make their web. So spider lives in their web. Don't forget, it's web. Birds. The music of birds starts as early as dawn. Bird lives in nest. They make their own nest on tree. Habitat of bird is nest. Lion is the king of jungle. It's a wild and carnivorous animal. Its habitat is called den or cave. Repeating again, den or cave. Deer is a very playful animal of forest. It always likes to be in their herd. The habitat of deer is open grasslands of forest. So they live in open grasslands of forest. Where they live? They live in open grasslands of forest. Our next animal is a tiny one. It's a mouse or rat. We often see mice in our homes. Mice eat household items and cause considerable damage. Rats prefer to live in holes for their safety. So, rats live in holes. Repeating again, where they live? They live in holes. Duck. Duck is the breed of birds. They make quack quack sound. Duck lives in pond. Where they live? In pond. Next one is penguin. It's a creature of cold regions. They like to live in herds. If we talk about Earth, penguins are mainly found in the North and South Pole. So we can say that they like to live on glaciers. Penguin lives on glacier. Where they live? They live on glacier. Our next animal falls into both wild and domestic category. Yes, it's a pig. This animal is also included in the food chain of humans. That's why man also keeps it as a pet. Pigs lives in pen and their home is made by humans. So where they live? Pigs live in pen. Cow. Cow is very useful and friendly animal. She gives us milk and butter. Non-vegetarians also consider cow in their food chain. Cow is a domestic animal. Habitat of cow is shed. Where they live? In shed. Fish. Fish is a creature of water. It cannot survive without water. Hence, habitats of fish are ocean, sea, pond, river, and aquarium. Next is kangaroo. Kangaroo is a wild animal. It possesses powerful hind legs and long, strong tail and small front legs. Kangaroo lives in open areas of forest, but they like to live in hollow trees. Where they live? In hollow trees. Camel. Camel is called ships of desert. Camels were first domesticated by people many thousands of years ago. Camel can survive without eating or drinking for many days. Camel is a desert animal, so the habitat of camel is desert. Elephant. Elephants are the largest land mammals on earth and have distinctly massive bodies, large ears, and long trunks. Although elephant is a wild animal, human is keeping them as pets since the beginning of civilization. They are used in construction of buildings and in wars. They are very large in size and they need a big house. So they live in forest. Elephants live in forest. Sheep. Sheep is a domestic animal. They live in flock. Sheep are raised for their meat, milk, and wool. As I earlier said, sheep is a domestic animal, so they live in habitats built by human. The habitat of sheep is called pen or fold. Repeating again, pen or fold. Buffalo. Buffalo is a cow-like animal. It's a domestic animal. We get milk, butter, and meat from them. Buffalo is a domestic animal, but they also like to live in flock. The habitat of buffalo is barn or stable. So where they live? Buffalo lives in barn or stable. Our next animal is another domestic animal. It's a goat. It also gives us milk, butter, and meat. They also like to live in flock. Their home is also built by humans, and it's called pen. The house of goat is pen. Donkey is a domestic animal. The donkey has been used as a working animal for at least 5,000 years. The habitat of donkey is barn or stable. Rabbit. Rabbits are very loving and social animal. They live with their family members in burrow. Habitat of rabbit is burrow. Frog. There are many species of frogs. They can live on both water and earth, but they like to live around water. So they live in pond. Where frog lives? In pond. Next is turtle. Turtles can also live on both water and earth. They have a haunch on their back. They like water, so they live in oceans or sea. Turtles' habitat is ocean or sea. Next is bee. Bees are flying insects. They produce honey, and since the beginning, human is using sweet, viscous food substance made by honey bees. And where bee lives? It lives in hive or beehive. Don't forget habitat of bee. It's beehive. Snake. Snake is one of the most dangerous reptile on earth. They are poisonous and also very sneaky. 95% of snakes are not poisonous, but we should maintain distance with them. They come in wild creatures category. They like to live in holes, but they don't build their home. They live in holes made by other animals such as rat, mongoose, etc. One more thing, please stay away from holes on ground. It may be habitat of snake. Termite. Termite is also called white ant, but they are not ants and they are not closely related to ants. Termites divided as workers and soldiers in their colony. The colony of termites is called mound. The habitat of termites is mound. Don't forget, mound. Cockroach. Cockroaches have been around since the time of dinosaurs. A cockroach can live almost a month without food. We often see them in and around our homes. They like to live in thick darkness. Thus the habitat of cockroach is sewer. Don't forget, the habitat of cockroach is sewer. Next is crocodile. Crocodile is a wild animal. It can live on both earth and water. It is completely carnivorous animal and it's still alive since the days of dinosaurs. Crocodile lives in ocean or sea or in rivers. One more thing, crocodiles of oceans are more dangerous in comparison of crocodiles living in rivers. Wolf. Wolf is a wild animal. It lives in herd. It's a carnivorous animal and its habitat is den. So where it lives? It lives in den. Next is fox. Fox is a wild and very clever animal. It lives in den and small caves. Where it lives? It lives in den and small caves. Owl. Owl is a wild bird. People often get scared at night by hearing the sound of owl. It lives in burrow or tree holes. Where it lives? In burrow and tree holes. Next is mongoose. Mongoose is a wild animal. It lives in burrow. Where it lives? In burrow. Hyena. Hyena is a wild and carnivorous animal. The habitat of hyena is den. Zebra. Zebra belongs to the family of horses, though it's a wild and vegetarian animal. They live in forest. The last animal of our list is hippopotamus. Hippopotamuses love water, which is why the Greeks named them the water horse. The habitat of hippopotamus is riverbank because they can live in water as well as on land. The habitat of hippopotamus is riverbank. Let's go for a little test. What is the name of dog's house? Correct, it's kennel. Next question. What is the name of owl's home? Yes, it's burrow or tree holes. Last question. Where do bees live? Absolutely correct. It's beehive. For more videos like this, please subscribe and share. We'll meet in next video. Thank you.